Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will talk about a tweet that has actually shaken the crypto market and so does perpetual exchanges. We have this tweet by CZ Finance. You can see here, well done, good start, keep building. And just after this tweet went viral and garnered over 2.8 million views, we saw a great pump in the token, especially Aster, which is nothing but a perpetual exchange. And that is why people are going crazy about top tokens in this segment so they can invest and make good returns. So with that, let's kick off. Let's start the video. Let's explore the top tokens and which one should you invest in short and long term. Now let's get started. Now before I begin, let me just tell you, if you are liking my study about cryptocurrency, liking my trading strategies, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't already, and remember to click on the link below to join me on Telegram. The group is very active and we share daily crypto updates. So let's start with Aster. Aster standing at around $981 million market cap. Now, again, yesterday it was at $1.2 billion. You can look at the circulation supply, 1.65 billion token. Now, many believe this is the next hyperliquid in the making. Now, given the supply, it looks like it. Yes, it is possible, but you should also take into consideration the total supply is 8 billion token. And again, we have to take a look at the vesting schedule, and I guess it won't hit $50 immediately, given the fact it is pretty new and we already have market leader like Hyperliquid dominating this space, and it is not very easy for everyone to switch from Hyperliquid to Aster just via a single tweet. Of course, you will invest because the price action is good, but to reach from 50 cents or 60 cents to nearly $50 is not a quick journey. So if you want to buy Aster, I believe you can buy it after checking out the platform, after trading on this platform. Just take a look at the platform, give yourself time, trade it, and then you will realize is it better than Hyperliquid or not. And again, then make a buying decision of Aster token. Of course, the price is low, it can give you good money also, but I believe if you're willing to invest in it, you have to wait for quite a long time for it to hit $50 because Hyperliquid has already surpassed that $50 mark. So the second token we should talk about is Hyperliquid. If you look at Hyperliquid, let's show you the numbers that it has right now. Of course, this is the number one perpetual exchange right now available in the market, and you can see here it is at $56 and the number is popping up. Soon you will realize and compare the supply, the market cap, and everything. Look at the market cap, $18 billion, which is huge, but look at the supply, it's just 1 billion tokens, of which circulation supply is 333 million tokens. So clearly it has a very low supply compared to Aster. That is also one of the reasons why it surged very fast, because people onboarded quickly, but again the supply is low, so of course the demand was very high, and that is what happened. It surpassed $50 within months, and that won't happen with Aster. So again, you can look at the price action also. So if you want to play it safe, you can actually invest in Hyperliquid for a long period of time. So for that, you need to actually wait for it to pull back. It is making higher lows. Let it come down to 20 MA, nearly 20 MA, which is this blue line. And once it come on a weekly chart, you can make an investment decision on Hyperliquid. So Hyperliquid is a stable game right now, but it is a long-term game, just like Aster. If you want to double investment, I think Hyperliquid is a safe bet. Aster, on the other hand, is also a safe bet, but if you want big gains from Aster, you have to wait. You have to wait quite a long time. The third one, and of course, that is of course no one is talking about, is MYX Finance. Its ticker is now trading at $13. It is also gaining a lot of momentum from $1 to $12 within a day, and from $13 it is going to hit $50 anytime soon. The best part of MYX Finance is that it is backed by institutional investors. A lot of people, lot of private investors, lot of VCs are involved in this project, so they will make sure to pump this token very high during the bull run. That is my bet. But again, if you want to gamble, if you believe in gambling a bit, then MYX Finance is for you. It is trading at $13. Of course, market cap is very low, $2.6 billion. Total supply is just 1 billion token, like I said, and of which circulation supply is just 197 million token, even lower than Aster, even lower than Hyperliquid. So this can be a good token to hold for a short term to make great gains. Now remember, it is very volatile. It can give you a big return in a very short amount of time, but it can also give you a big losses in very short amount of time. So trade with caution, but this token has a huge potential going forward, because I believe $50 for this token is very much easy to achieve when you have investor share higher than the retail user share in this token. So if I have to summarize this video, I will tell you that if you believe in a little bit of gambling around, of course, making good money in a short period of time, then MYX Finance is your token. Now, if you want to be a stable income kind of thing, be stable, just invest and forget and take out money later, then Hyperliquid is your investment. If you want to invest and make very big return for a good period of time, then Aster is your investment. So that is my key about this video. Of course, comment below, share thoughts. Which token will you be buying? Aster, Hyperliquid, or MYX, or is there any token in your mind? With that, I complete my video. Let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content, and do remember to subscribe, press the bell icon, and of course, let's meet tomorrow. Explore good potential in the new tokens. Thank you.